What a beautiful waterfront with the pretty boats. In this video we're taking the bus from the main town in Samos, where we're staying, through to a town called Pythagorio, the birthplace of Pythagoras. So we've got off the bus at the town that I would pronounce as Pythagorio, like Pythagoras, but we're pretty sure the bus driver was saying it Pythagorio. So anyway, we're walking up to a viewpoint here on the coast. Nice looking yacht. And quite nice beaches too along there. So we're just walking around the edge of the sea wall here. Takes you to a castle and a tower of a church, I think. So we took the scenic route here. We went via the mountain village of Metellini, which only some of the buses go that way. So the 10 o'clock bus that we took goes that way. The water's pretty nice and clear here. So that was quite cool. You weren't allowed to take video inside the castle, but the castle was free to go into, and it's like a wee museum. There's a lot of historical information boards and things in there. You're allowed to take photos. I took a couple of photos, but no videoing. Oh, we've got another little cemetery here. The church there. Very beautiful. This area through here is called Blue Street. I'm starting to run into all the tour groups now. It's getting pretty busy. Wow, now that's nice and clear. What a beautiful waterfront with the pretty boats. look at that beautiful boat there. That'd be worth a lot. We're heading over to that sculpture over there. I think we might have found our swimming beach. Right, I'm going to go have a look at this statue. So this is Pythagoras, showing the 3, 4, 5 triangle, I assume. Pythagoras theorem, something like that. It's a beautiful wee town. So we decided not to go for a swim. Instead we stopped and had a nice cold beer on the beach there. Now we're heading back. We're going to grab hopefully the 1 o'clock bus, which goes back through that village, so we don't get to see the other bus route, but we'll get back a bit earlier and then chill out for a while. We might go back to that beach we went to yesterday for another swim. But yeah, Pythagorio or Pythagorio, yeah, I don't know how they say it. Beautiful place, worth a visit. Probably a lot more to see than what we've seen, but yeah, really nice to have a look around. Right, catch you later. Right, we'll end this video here on the main street, running up from the harbour. Absolutely stunning.